friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Rituka, and this channel, The Vegan Flower Child, is all about making vegan recipes, exploring vegan food in cafes and restaurants, and exploring a lot of vegan products in the market. And today, being a recipe video and the beautiful Ganesha going on, let's make our dear Ganesha's favorite steamed rice modaks.
So first we're going to make this sweet coconut jaggery filling, for which in a pan I'm going to add a teaspoon of vegan ghee. And once that melts, I'm going to add a teaspoon of khaskhas or poppy seeds, followed by some chopped nuts. Here I've used 6 almonds and 6 cashews. Now we can saute this for a couple of minutes till it changes color slightly. Next I'm going to add a cup of grated coconut, and we can mix this really well and saute it for a couple of minutes. I'm now going to add 1/4 cup of shredded jaggery, and we can mix this well. To which I'm going to add a pinch of Himalayan pink salt, and now we can let this cook till the time the jaggery melts completely. Once the jaggery has melted, you can add half a teaspoon of elaichi powder or cardamom powder, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg powder, and give this a good mix. Make sure the jaggery and the coconut is well mixed. And once done, we can switch off the gas. Now we can let the jaggery and coconut mixture cool off completely. Next we're going to make the rice dough, for which here I've taken a deep pan and I'm going to add 3/4 cup of water to it, followed by a teaspoon of vegan ghee, 1/4 cup of plant-based milk. Here I've used a blend of cashew and coconut milk, a pinch of Himalayan pink salt. Now we can mix this and let it come to a little boil. To this I'm going to add a cup of rice flour. I had mixed a teaspoon of tapioca flour to the rice flour, and we're going to give this a good mix and try to get it all together and mix it really well. Once that's done, we can cover the lid and let it cook in its steam for 5 minutes. You can keep the gas on slow, and after 5 minutes we can remove the lid. Switch off the gas and now transfer this to a large plate. Now while it's hot, we can knead it into a dough. So as it's steaming hot, you can use the back of the glass to do it. And once you can handle the temperature, then you can use your hands. So knead this really well. And you can further add a teaspoon of vegan ghee and knead it really well one more time into a soft dough. Once done, you can roll it into a ball and cover it with a wet muslin cloth so that the dough doesn't dry off. So finally, now we're going to make our modaks, for which I'm using a mold here. We can apply some vegan ghee properly on all sides of the modak, and there are 2 ways to use this mold. The first one would be where we can keep the mold open and apply a rice dough on both the sides of the mold. And we can further shut the mold. We can further fill it up with some coconut jaggery filling that we've made. And we can cover it on top with our rice dough. The second way would be where we can close our modak and apply the rice dough on all sides of the modak from the top. We can further fill it up with a jaggery coconut filling and cover it up with some rice dough. And now we can open our mold and our beautiful modak is ready. So once all the modaks are made, it's time to add some saffron milk to them. I had mixed few saffron strands in some warm plant-based milk and kept it aside for around 10 minutes. Now we can add a strand of saffron with some saffron milk on top of each modak. Now we can add a little vegan ghee at the bottom of each modak, and then we can steam it for 10 minutes. Once our modaks are steamed, we can add a little vegan ghee on top of them and serve it.
Try out these delicious modaks and may Ganesha's blessings fill all your lives with happy miracles.